Another lucky one is gone.
Well, actually, we can pull the golden ticket one on. Like the solid gold one.
Yeah. Are those usually redemptions?
Yeah, because they weigh like
Yeah. They weigh
5 ounces. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, but just a standard on card. 101. It went for like 40,000 on eBay, and the guy didn't pay.
Ryan Fitzpatrick, Dominic Sue, Vikings, Adrian Peterson, MVP, Sam Bradford, and Matt Kessel.
Still decent.
Needs a job.
Heartbreak.
But what is that one?
The first time.
Danny Amendola, Dwayne, Bruce Nice for the Seahawks. Bruce Irvin, rookie auto. Bruce Irvin.
It's not the short print.
It's not. That's not one. That's a nice one though. If you're gonna get a defensive guy, it's him or Keekly.
Or Bobby White.
Yep. Joe Flacco, Victor Cruz for the Arizona Cardinals. Michael Floyd. Paul Brown, never heard of him. AJ Green, just kidding. And Mike Wallace, new Dolphin. Greg Little, Ryan Matthews, Jordy Nelson, Aaron Rodgers, and Wes Welker in a Patriots uniform. Let's see. You got Frank Gore, Andre Johnson, Troy Aikman, legendary champions.
Welcome back, Mitch.
Aikman, you said?
Yes, Aikman. It's a nice looking card.
That's the first down. Let's see it.
Chris Johnson, Percy Harvin. Nice. David Wilson auto for the Giants.
That's a good card.
David Wilson auto. I don't know who has the Giants, but Mitch, there you go. You need to leave.
I just got back. Hope I got more of the clients down there.
Actually, you got an Eli
You
jersey.
got Vincent Jackson, Anthony Fasano, legendary champions Dwight Freeney for the Colts, and Jay Cutler and LaShawn McCoy. Should have 4 more autos in this. Ben Roethlisberger, Calvin Johnson, Devon Wiley for the Chiefs. Tyler's killing it now. Woo! Willis McGahee and Sidney Rice. Jake Locker, Adrian Peterson. For the Dallas Cowboys, Morris Claiborne. Rookie Contenders die cut. Reggie Wayne and Pierre Garçon. Steve Johnson, Carson Palmer. Rookie Stallions. Kendall Wright, not numbered. There's 4 more autos in here. Des Bryant. Cameron Wake. Bobby Rainey. This is the short print variation. Bobby Rainey. Nice.
What team is he on?
He is for the Baltimore Ravens. That's the short print version. Nice.
Nice.
There's no telling how many of those they made.
Yeah.
They're all over the place.
Ray Rice, Mark Sanchez, MVP of LaShawn McCoy. Insert. Should have 3 more autos. Tony Romo, Alex Smith, Arian Foster, Drew Brees, and Randy Moss in a 49ers uniform.
Good.
Fred Jackson, Santonio Holmes, Oliver Vernon for the Dolphins auto. I'm not sure who has them.
Wait and see.
Tom Brady and Cam Newton.
Regular cards, right?
Yes.
That's Dolphin.
Josh Freeman, Reggie Bush, Ray Lewis, legendary contenders insert. So Ray Lewis. Darren McFadden and DeMarco Murray. Ray Lewis, Hakeem Nicks. Oh, nice. Alfred Morris, gold, number 200. But it does have a chip at the top. Didn't do that.
What team?
Redskins, number to
I saw it
100.
as soon as it came out, but I was something there, but it's alright.
It wasn't me.
That big thing is
Not an auto. It was just the legendary contenders one. Josh Cribbs, Antonio Gates, rookie stallions of Mark Barron for the Buccaneers, Larry Fitzgerald, and Matt Forte.
Was it signature for the Buccaneers?
No. Insert. Matt Schaub, Kenny Britt, Christian Ponder, Deshaun Jackson, and Matthew Stafford. All base there. I think it was like 2 autos left. 3. 2 left. Anthony Fasano, Ben Roethlisberger, rookie stallions of Ronnie Hillman, Jimmy Graham, and Andy Dalton. All base and 1 insert. Calvin Johnson Jr., Steven Jackson, Jamal Charles, Antonio Brown, and Santana Moss. RG3 must be hiding. Roddy White, Ahmad Bradshaw, MVP of Ray Rice, Rob Gronkowski, and Steve Smith. The rest of those are base. Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Phillip Rivers, Greg Jennings, Michael Vick, and Demarius Thomas. Down to the last 2.
Oh, what was the Kansas City Contenders?
Devin Wiley.
Oh, Devin Wiley, yeah. We got Dallas Clark, Torrey Smith, Andrew Luck. I guess we got shorted on it. Andrew Luck, Rookie of the Year contenders, unless we miscounted. Maurice Jones-Drew. Yeah, what was that?
I lost count myself.
Tim Tebow, Miles Austin, and for the Rams, Chris Givens. I think that was 5. Chris Givens, auto. Not numbered, or the variation. I think that was 5.